Alright, I'm back in Lowrider Hall. Hey, look at these. Look, the whole hall locked down. Good guys in the Lowrider game. That's what we do. So many folks with some nice cars in here. Probably some of y'all partners down here in San Diego. Let y'all know. I'm gonna do a walk around and see what I can capture for y'all. Look at that. Never seen that one? I never have. Look at that thing. Okay. Look at that. Got a barrel. Lowridered out. Look how custom this motherfucker is. Damn, look at the seats. Yeah. Look at the dash. Look at the roof. Y'all ain't ready. Y'all ain't ready. Y'all ain't ready. What's up, man? It's Lowrider Hall, boy. Good guys. I'm telling y'all, man. We starting to incorporate a lot of stuff in here. Look at this. Look how that just spin. Nice. Woo-hoo. Look at that. 1950. Woo. Look at that display. That 10 by 20, boy. That's a 20 by 20, man. Woo. Oh, look at this bad boy. Tipsy. Look at the paint. Look at the paint. Look at the inside. Hold on, let me see if I can bring it in. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at all the engraving on this bad boy. Woo. Man. Airbrushing all the way on the frame. Look at that. Look at it. Look at that. Woo. Man. Look at the mirrors. Showing the engraving on the bottom. Not showing your tires. Showing underneath the car. Just giving y'all a hard time. Oh, look at the artwork. Damn. Tina's sisters in there. Look at that. Okay. All that work. Damn. Man, you gotta... Something else, man. You gotta respect that. You gotta respect that. Alright, let me get y'all up. Ooh, look at this display. Okay. He's spinning on you. Spinning on you. Ridiculous. Full ridiculous. Yeah. Killing it. San Diego came down and showed out here in Del Mar, boy. So if you think good guys is on the lowrider community, we locked in and dialed in. So yeah. that combination, huh? It's nice. Look at the mirror in the bottom. Look at that. Looking at the whole undercarriage. Not on the tires. Undercarriage. Tires. Undercarriage. I'm gonna stop messing with y'all before y'all take something personal. Is he talking about me? Got you in here too, checking out all this, huh?
Sure, you already know.
Oh yeah, for sure. All right, y'all. It's the other half of this building. Let's back this up. This motherfucker down here. Sub on the back. Yeah, he riding. Yeah, he riding. He's showing out on y'all. Alright, man. It's the Lowrider Hall, man. I want to show the hall some love. That's filled. We got ladies, models right there. Ruth, Fame. Here, let's get the man right here on video.
Hey, how's it going?
There he goes. That's my man right there. That's the main guy on video. So there y'all go. A little bit of Lowrider Hall for y'all. Call us. There they go.